So also this place has witnessed and welcomed the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj during his visit to Gomanta. Sir, today I share mixed emotion of great joy, pride and honor to welcome a distinguished person like you in my hometown. Your work in the field of politics and social work is exemplary and par excellence. Working under your mentorship is definitely going to help us achieve more honors to Bicholim in particular and Goa as a whole. In near future, your work speaks for itself, may it be in your professional arena, politics, or a great writing skill that you behold. It has almost been 3 decades that you have published your first book. And I am impressed to learn that you have published more than 165 books.
In our country, our Bharat, because a governor visited or interacted with the entire Panchayat members, visited almost all constituencies and places, and that is why our Grama visit I am going to complete within short time. Only remaining constituency is that of our Chief Minister's constituency. It is scheduled to be on 18th. I can say with the cooperation of the people, not only cooperation of the people, in all constituencies, the local MLAs participated, whether ruling party, opposition party, A party, B party or C party or T party, whatever it may be. All people cooperated. Because of their cooperation, I am able to understand one aspect. I am happy in this constituency because Dr. Chandrakant Shetty, even for a surgery on my eye, the people of Goa suggested his name, but due to my friendship with the doctor at Calicut, my hometown, I conducted the surgery about 6 months back at Calicut. So then I inquired about the doctor, because before I proposed surgery, to know more and more about the doctor, that is quite natural. Then I found that he's a doctor with a difference. That difference is that a doctor who is conducting so many surgeries, running a very good hospital, and is preferable to people from all walks of life, and his commitment to the profession as well as his commitment to the people. These two rare phenomena together, we can see in a doctor, in an MLA. That is why I use the word wonder.